Welcome. In this video I'm going to take apart this Ryobi 1 Plus battery operated fan. So I'll turn it on here. I don't know if this is going to come through on the camera, but it makes kind of a rattly noise. So if you're using this on a construction site or something, it probably wouldn't be a big deal, but if you're using this in a bedroom or camping or something like that, that's kind of annoying. So I ordered these screwdrivers here on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to these. And this is a T10 security Torx. So it's like a Torx bit and it has the little hole in the middle. Because on the back here it uses security Torx bits to open it. I'm not sure why they did that, but okay, so I got those off. That took probably about 10 minutes. You can see some of these are rusted. I don't know if I can get this focused in. There we go. These are rusted. So it has that pin in the middle. Let's see if there's one that's not as bad. You can see the pin in the middle there. So I was having trouble getting that on there, so I'll have to clean those up before I put them back. Or I don't know, I may try and find some replacement screws that are a little better, but that might be hard to find that size. And if you go into business, repairing these fans, this little Torx screwdriver was kind of hard to hold, but, it was cheap. Okay, so I put the battery back on to test this, and it's still making the noise. I'll see if I can pull this fan blade off. Okay, I got the fan blade off. So it's kind of hard to tell here how to access this. It looks like there's some little clips here I might be able to push in. I'm going to get a screwdriver and try that. Ow, that kind of hurt. I kind of slipped, but popped off. Here's the little plate. And here we have a motor. I'm not sure how those attach. I don't know if I can pull those off. I'll get a pair of pliers. Those appear to be soldered on. I'll take off this little wire guide here. See if that helps us. This is the same size. This is a T10, but it's a not security. Okay, that came right off. You can really hear the sound now that I've taken the blade off. I mean, the motor's bad. Okay, so I'm going to cut the video here. I'm going to take this outside and blow some electronics cleaner through this and see if, if there's some debris in here that's stuck, because this doesn't feel loose. And if I can, spray out any debris in there, that might fix the problem. So I'm going to try that. Okay, I went outside, I blowed cleaner in these holes. I sprayed in these holes here, to see if I could flush anything out, and it's still making the noise. And also I noticed when it makes the noise, when you press on it, it kind of stops. Maybe, I don't know. So I think the next step is to remove the motor. So I've got my knife. I'm going to cut away the shrink wrap, and then I'll get the soldering iron down here and unsolder it, if they're soldered. I think they're soldered. So apparently my soldering iron sucks. I think I paid like $9 for it or something. I don't know what was wrong with this thing. It seems to be working now. Okay, so I've got the motor out. Looks like a KP5BN-18140B-R. Then there's a K-6945CD020. So I'll have to look this up and see if I can get one. Okay, so I looked for one of these online and I wasn't able to find one. There's also on the back here, it says Nichibo. So I may just call this a loss and maybe buy a new one. So I found some site that brought something up with this, but it didn't look like the right motor. So if you have any suggestions, you can leave them in the comments. But by the time I read them, I may have already moved on with my life. So I don't know, but at least I tried. So well, if you have any questions, please leave them below. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.